LinePulse is an AI-powered quality analytics platform for manufacturing. Quality and manufacturing teams use LinePulse on their data to quickly make decisions and get results like 8% higher throughput, 65% less rework, and six-figure annual savings in their cost of poor quality. Shop floor data from traceability, process, and quality contains a ton of untapped information. We build real-time SPC dashboards that show CPK and PPK at a glance for process engineers who told us that traditional reporting arrives too late and doesn't show the whole picture. They can dive into capability metrics for detailed run charts, study statistics, and raw data export to report on any specific area in seconds, and all in a customer-ready view. For quality engineers who are sick of firefighting issues, we build 24/7 anomaly and SPC monitoring that pushes predictive alerts to Microsoft Teams so they can stay ahead of quality spills. They can customize SPC alerts or use machine learning monitors that track complex relationships like tolerance stack-up with graphs that highlight process variation. To inspect the nonconformance, quality can view the entire history of a part, even across multiple processes and plants. We also engineered a tool to free up the time spent on root cause analysis. Engineers can pick the outcome they want to root cause, say an NVH final acceptance test, and focus the time window or stations, then analyze. LinePulse screens hundreds of upstream measurements and attributes, ranks the most likely causes, and shows clear visuals comparing good versus failed parts. Problems can be solved fast using data, not opinion. Dana, BorgWarner, and Linamar have solved critical inefficiencies and reduced costs using our purpose-built software. Book a demo using the link below to see what it could do at your plant.